Hey, this is Susan with Voices for Learning, where we help you grow as a voice actor. It is Audiobook Wednesday, so thanks so much for watching. In this video, I want to talk to you about auditioning and the auditioning process and how to win audiobooks. So if you will audition every single day for a certain specified time period, I promise you, you will win audiobooks. Let's say that you just say for the next 20 days, you're going to audition every single day. Or for the next 2 weeks, you're going to audition every single day. I promise you, you will win audiobooks. The process of auditioning for an audiobook can be a pain in the neck. I do realize that, but it pays off. Just make a goal of auditioning every single day for the next couple weeks, for the next 30 days, for whatever, and you will see results. I know I have done that in my career where I've had a lull in my business and I've thought, I don't know what the heck is going on. And I just made it a priority that for the next X number of days, I am going to put out this number of auditions on ACX. I am going to do whatever on Upwork. I'm going to do whatever on Fiverr. I'm going to send out an email blast to my current clients. And it always pays off. But the thing is, you have to be consistent. It can't just be like, well, I'm just going to audition tomorrow and the next day and that's it. And then just, oh, well, that's all. You have to put yourself in a certain, time frame and stick with it. Even when the business is coming in, like let's say after 5 days, you've gotten 2 audiobooks and maybe you've gotten something off of Upwork or whatever, stick with it. You've made yourself a promise for the next 30 days, for the next 20 days. Stick with it until that time period is over. And I promise you, you won't have to keep, revamping or, restarting your business with the audition process. Keep that up. It's just consistency. And then, of course, once you get these jobs, really just wow your authors, wow your clients. Make it so that you are their go-to voice actor. And I promise you will not have to audition. I don't audition ever for anything. I don't need to. And that was one of my first goals when I started in this business because it was really kind of depressing for me to audition. I was on the pay-to-play sites. And I realized that that was not the place that I needed to be. That auditioning, 10 times, 20 times a day and getting nothing was not the place mentally I needed to put myself. So I took myself off of those sites and I kind of just grew it organically through ACX, through Upwork, by just emailing people, by reaching out to people on LinkedIn. There's a lot of ways that you can do this. If you want to see what my audition results are, up here, floating around up in here, you'll see a link to the last video that I did on audiobooks. And it's got my ratio of how many auditions I did versus how many offers for audiobooks I got versus how many audiobooks I was awarded and produced. You'll see that ratio and you'll see that the number of audiobooks that I have produced outweighs or is greater than the number of audiobooks that I have actually auditioned for. But the number of audiobooks that I was offered is the largest number. So those were and offers just means that I was offered the audiobook, I took it or I didn't. So I promise you, if you will be consistent, you will get a lot of people who want you to work for them. And you can also get to a point like me where you can turn down work. You can say, this doesn't fit within what I want to do. I have whatever reasons I don't want to do this. You don't have to just take everything like maybe you are right now. And I was there too. I had to take everything at the beginning too. I call it the scratching and clawing. I was just scratching and clawing at the beginning. But keep at it, stay consistent. You will get a stronghold on that rocky crag, and I promise you the climb will get so much easier. You will get to the top, and the view is beautiful from here, and it's an amazing place to be, and that's where I want you to be. In the description also, I've got other links to other videos in this playlist for ACX Wednesdays, audiobooks. Take a look at these videos and learn from them. I've been doing this for 8 years, and my life is very different from where it was when I first started. So your life will be different too. Stick with it, I promise you. And if this was a value, give it a thumbs up. Thanks so much. Take care. I can't wait to see you next time. Bye.